Hi friends, it's Peggy Noe from PrettyPaperCards.com. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, and I'm here today to show you how to distress your cardstock. I've shown this before, and people still ask me about it, so I thought I'd do a pretty quick tip video. I've got some scrap pieces of soft seafoam cardstock here, and we're going to use two different methods. The first method is to use the bone folder, and the second method is to use our paper snips. So let's get started. We'll start with the bone folder, and all you do is just attack the edges of the paper with your bone folder. You press kind of hard and don't be shy. When you come to the corners, just rough them up a little bit like that. That's fine. And we're going to go all the way around. And even though it looks like we are bending the paper, and we are, it's part of the look of a distressed piece of cardstock. And you can use these on all your different cards and projects. So there's one method using the bone folder. Okay? Now the second method can be a little more drastic when we use the paper snips. Little crumbs come off, and also we can cut a little bit. It can cut into the paper, which is fine. It's a little more drastic look. I kind of like it. You see how it's beginning to give little really indentations there, and you can begin to see the crumbs that are coming off on my desk here. But again, you just kind of attack it. It's a more distressed look, and there is a little tear, but it's fine. Let's just keep on going all the way around. It depends on what look you want on your card or project. And now we'll finish the fourth side. And just go back and forth on that corner. Now, some people like to also turn down their corners of their distressed pieces. And to do that, you just fold a little triangle in the corner and fold it back, just like that. And there's your piece for use on a card. So you've got two different methods of distressing cardstock. One is with a bone folder, and one is with paper snips. And that's your pretty quick tip for today. I hope you'll join me over at my blog, PrettyPaperCards.com. Subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss any of my tips. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.